monkeys in school. Where I do want to go? Asked Grandpa. School starts at 9 o'clock, but it's 8 o'clock now. Can we go to the rainforest? Asked Ben. Yes, please, said Rosie. I want to see some monkeys. Crank hit a button on the computer, and there are lots of lights. The band drives into the lights, and then, "We are here," said Rosie. "We are in the rainforest." Ben and Rosie loved the birds and the trees, but Rosie is sad. "I want to see some monkeys," she said. "Where are they?" "I don't know," said Ben. "I can't see any monkeys." "Sorry, Rosie," said Grandpa. "We can come again and look for monkeys, but now let's take you to school." Crank starts the van and drives. Some animals jump on the van, but Grandpa and the children don't see them. There are monkeys on the van. At school, Ben goes to his classroom. He sits next to his best friend Max. Ben is listening to the teacher, but Max is looking out the window. "Please look at the board," says the teacher. "I'm sorry," said Max, "but I can see tail out the window." "Tail?" asks the teacher. He looks for and out the window, but now there are no tail there. In the art classroom, Rosie is making a picture. She stops. "Are you okay, Rosie?" asks her teacher. "I can hear animals in the hallway," said Rosie. The door opens. The monkeys run into the classroom. The children are happy. They like monkeys. The monkeys are quick. They jump on the desk. They shout and throw paint. "Quick, students," says the teacher. "Go into the hallway." Ben and Max hear the school bell. There they go to the hallway. Students are talking about the monkeys in the art classroom. "Where are the monkeys from?" asked one boy. Ben knows the answer. The monkeys come from the rainforest. The boys go and find Ben's bag. Ben takes out his cell phone. "Hello, Grandpa," he says. "Please come to the school." Ben looks at Max. "Grandpa's coming. Let's find Rosie." They see Rosie in the hallway. The monkeys aren't in the art classroom now, she said. She points to the floor. There's a line of footprints in blue and red paint. "Look," she says. "Those footprints go go to the cafeteria. Oh no, says Max. The three children run to the cafeteria. The monkeys are there. They are jumping and eating food. They are hungry, said Ben. Look, said Max. They like the food at our school. Now Ben can see the band out the cafeteria window. Grandpa, here, he said, let's take the monkeys to the band. How? Asked Max. There are two kicks. I have an idea, said Rosie. Rosie runs to the table and takes the bananas. Here, she shouts. Let's look at this. The monkeys look at the bananas. Bananas are their favorite food. They run to Rosie. Rosie throws the bananas out the window. The hungry monkeys jump out the window too. Now some bananas are in Grandpa's band. The monkeys jump into the band. Close the door, Clunk, says Grandpa. Let's take those monkeys home. Ben teacher runs into the cafeteria. Where are those monkeys? He asked. They are going home, said Ben. Good, said the teacher. We can eat lunch now. But where are the bananas?